Hi, welcome back to Backup World. Today we'll learn about how to install RBS Agent on Windows Server. To install RBS Agent, we have to open firewall port 12800 and 12801 from Rubrik cluster to Windows Server. So to install RBS Agent, we have to download RBS Agent from the respective cluster. So log into RSC and navigate app tray and go to settings. From settings we can see here data sources. Under data sources we can see Windows option. Under Windows option we have add host. We should click on add host. Once we click on add host, we will get this window. So here we should select Rubrik cluster where we should add that Windows host. Once we select this option, we will get this window. Here we have to select the option like dialog option like I want to install register RBS software now option. The once we select that option, so we will get this options Windows Agent. So this one we should download. Once we download this agent, so the this would be downloaded in zip format. That should move to Windows host. Once we move to Windows host, we should keep that host in temp folder downloads. From there, we can install directly. So while installing, it will ask for accept license, and and we should select a typical option. Once we select typical, next, finish, then agent will be installed. So after installation agent, we have to add server into Rubrik. So again, same navigation like RSA after settings. Under settings, data sources, Windows, add host. Again, click on add host. Once we click on add host, we will get option to select Rubrik cluster. Rubrik cluster. This time we should select I have already installed Rubrik software, RBS software. So once we select that, we will get option to add the host here. So here we should select FQDN. I mean, we have to enter with FQDN and our IP address. Once we add it, we can see the server is added and connected state. Once it's connected, then we are good to configure file set backup or Windows volume backup. So that's it. How to installing RBS agent. Thank you.